Okay, so this is the fuel pump assembled outside of the tank. I'm trying to show enough angles so that you can get an idea of how each part fits together as it would be sitting inside the tank. Note the two wire connections and short sections of wire looms. One set of wires is connected to the fuel pump, the other to the float assembly sending unit. Both of these connections are combined into one connector underneath the filler inlet. You can see the white 4-pin connector body at the top left of the photo.